Yes, and here's a more practical, viewer-friendly YouTube script for how to upload music. What if you already have a song, beat, or rough recording in Audacity, and you could take that audio into Suno AI and turn it into something completely different? In this video, I'll show you the full workflow from exporting your audio in Audacity to uploading it into Suno and using it to create new music. First, open Audacity and load the audio you want to use. It could be a vocal recording, instrumental, guitar demo, beat, or another piece of audio that you have the rights to use. Before exporting, listen through the track and remove any unnecessary silence or unwanted noise. Then goes to File Arrow Export Audio. For the cleanest workflow, export your project as WAV if your Suno plan supports WAV uploads, or use MP3 for a smaller file. Give your file a simple name, like my original song demo.wav. Then save it somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop or downloads folder. Now your audio is ready. One important point, only upload audio that you created yourself or have permission to use. Suno requires users to have the necessary rights to uploaded material, help.suno.com. Now open Suno AI and go to the Create page. Look for the audio upload button next to Create. Click it and select the audio file you exported from Audacity. Suno currently allows basic users to upload up to 60 seconds, while Pro and Premiere users can upload up to 8 minutes, which means paid users can work with much longer recordings. help.suno.com. Once uploaded, Suno adds the audio to your library. Now comes the creative part. Depending on the tools available to your account, you can use the uploaded audio as the starting point for creating something new. For example, you could describe modern emotional pop, powerful male vocals, atmospheric synths, cinematic drums, emotional chorus, polished commercial production. Suno can use your uploaded audio as a musical foundation while generating a new version. You can also use features such as extend, cover, or other remix/edit tools depending on your plan and the track. Here's my biggest tip. Don't upload a messy recording and expect AI to magically fix everything. Clean your audio first in Audacity, remove unnecessary noise, balance the volume, and cut unwanted sections before uploading. A cleaner source gives you a much better starting point. And if you're working with a full song, Suno currently supports uploads of up to 8 minutes on Pro and Premiere. help.suno.com. So the workflow is really simple. Record or edit in Audacity, export your audio, open Suno, audio upload, choose your creative direction arrow, generate arrow, refine. One more thing, if you plan to monetize the result, check the rights for both your uploaded audio and the Suno's generated song.